The price of Blur is $0.622453 right now, which is $0.417759 more than it was 3 months ago. As the market improves over the next 12 months, Blur is expected to grow a lot. Blur has a score of 70 out of 100 right now, which means it is likely to go up. For the end of 2023, $1.12 is the price that bulls think Blur will reach. Blur's price has gone up by 27.81% in the last 24 hours. After going through a bad market, Blur has seen a lot of growth in the past year. Blur is likely to hit a high point of $2.37 in the next few years, thanks to its recent growth. Due to the bullish time Blur has been going through, investors have seen returns of over 83.73% on their money this past week. After looking at Blur's technical signs, we think that the price might go down a little over the next few days. As of right now, Blur is worth $0.622453 and is ranked number 73 among all cryptocurrencies. Blur has a total market value of $685,906,570, and there are 1,102,032,152 coins in circulation right now. Blur's price has gone up by 27.81% in the last 24 hours. With a steady growth rate, Blur has gained 83.73% in the last week. Investors in Blur are happy with the return on their money this week, thanks to this rise. The price of Blur has gone up by 152.44% in the last 30 days, adding $0.375878 to its previous value of $0.246575 and raising the market size to $685,906,570. Blur should not be bought right now. Instead, investors should wait for another bear market. The price of Blur has gone up by 204.09% in the last 90 days, from $0.204694 to $0.417759 in value. How much does Blur cost right now? Blur is trading at $0.622453 right now, and it has a market value of $685,906,570. How much do you think Blur will cost in 2023? It is thought that Blur will cost a maximum of $1.12 in 2023. Should you buy Blur now? We think that Blur might have a small correction over the next few days based on the technical signs we looked at. Investors should wait to buy Blur until after the correction. Is Blur a good stock to buy? Based on the way Blur is moving, our technical research shows that this cryptocurrency is a good buy right now. Should you put money into Blur? Based on our price prediction, our research shows that Blur is a good buy right now.